Dez, I love tech, and today we're going to actually review something that I've had sitting here for a while. It's been something I've literally been trying to review for over a year. This is going to be a long-term review, not an unboxing. We're going to review the Orboot Globe. This is the Orboot Earth. There are two versions of this, the Earth and the Explorer. The Explorer is about $5 more and has a more robust base. But we have the Earth model here, and we're going to actually review this one and talk about the pros and cons of what it would mean to own this. Now, Orboot is a simple globe. Comes in a nice, bright blue box. Love the graphics. They're very appealing for a young audience. You can tell that this is actually targeted for ages 4 and up. So the graphics and the design all fit. It comes with a little stamp and a little mini passport so that you can go and visit all of the locations that you learn about. As a matter of fact, here is the passport. And you just stamp each of the locations with your little trusty stamp here once you've learned about them. You also get your takeoff guide, which is basically your boarding passes for each one of your missions, as well as stamps, or stickers rather, for all of the locations you have visited. You have your Orbooters guide. So what you can do to actually add value as a parent and educator, and you have a little thank you. Now, the globe has this annoyingly tight packed plastic base on it, but once you get it out, you realize it's just a simple globe. Literally, just a simple globe. So, what's the appeal in it? I mean, this thing costs $60, $59.99. What is the appeal in getting the Orboot Globe? I can tell you right now, it's not just the passports and the stamps. It's not just the kid-friendly globe that you can look at and spin and learn about the locations. It is in the app. Now, when this first came out, the app was only for iOS. But now, there is an app for your Kindle as well. It uses augmented reality to help teach about the different locations on the globe. And you can see animals and palaces and mosques and different things that you would see in all of the different areas. As a matter of fact, I see Petra here in the Middle East sitting on this globe. So it is a wonderful, wonderful tool to help young minds learn about different cultures and different civilizations. Now, when you actually get into the app, you have to set up your account, which I set up a little play account called Didi. You sync and update, so you actually have a sync for all of your different lessons that you can use. All of the different countries, all of the different languages. You can change the language that you're operating in. It has over 1,000 facts about all the different animals, countries, continents on the globe, as well as flag facts about the languages and different tourist attractions for each spot. Now, say for instance, I just wanted to look at the globe. You can tap right on our globe when he waves at you. And let's go for an AR visit. So,
choose a star on the globe and match it with a star in the center of your screen.
so
Ensure that the group is well lit and the camera focuses on the icon.
you can see the app has a little islet for the camera. Hello. Now, if I take my Kindle out of its case for a second, it may actually show a little bit. There we go. So you actually have the circle and a little star in the middle. On the globes, you have multiple stars to actually help you learn about what's going on. Now, I'm looking at the star here, and I see a camel and what looks like it is an oryx. And as you get closer, it actually shows you in augmented reality the Arabian oryx and the Arabian camel. You can switch from the animals to the cultures. And it changes the different pop-ups, talking about different ways of dancing and worship. This tool is actually very profound. I think it is something that any STEM kid would want. Do I recommend it? Well, it's generally geared towards ages 4 and 10. And if you have a child who is already curious about the world around them, and they want to learn more about different cultures and play with the little globe while learning different languages and about the flags, this is a great tool. The one that is roughly $4 or $5 more, that's the Orboot Explorer. I could also recommend that one as well. The primary difference is in the actual globe itself. It has a mini map on the base of it, as well as the augmented reality tools. Now, do I think that this is the world's greatest globe? No. But it is a great tool that you can use to add some enrichment to your learning environment, especially for homeschoolers and for small learning groups. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be using this with our STEM program for the MEE Hub. That way, young kids who are just getting into kindergarten and first grade can actually use their iPads and Kindles and learn about the different countries and cultures and more about what makes the world go around. I'm going to put a link for each version of the Orboot down in the description, and it definitely gets the DezTechs seal of approval. If you like this content that I've presented today, go ahead and give me a like, follows, subscribe, and keep up with when I post the next video. My name is Dez. I love tech. Stay nerdy. Stay curious. Stay you.